Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses. So if you're trying to ask anything to ChatGPT and if you're getting the slow responses, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you can do is simply check for the ChatGPT server status. For that, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in ChatGPT server status, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the link provided by the OpenAI status itself. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now OpenAI is fully operational. If you see any issues over here, wait until the issue is solved by the ChatGPT and your problem will be solved. But if it is fully operational, there might be some problem on your end. So in that case, what you can do is simply open ChatGPT. Now what you can do is simply try logging out of your account and logging in again. For that, click on the account icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option log out. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to log out? Click on this option log out. Now you'll be logged out of ChatGPT. You'll be able to see the message for welcome back over here. So simply click on this option log in. Now simply enter your email address or continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, continue with Apple or continue with phone. Now you'll be logged into your account again. Now simply try asking anything to ChatGPT and your problem might be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cookies and cache. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. This is only for the Google Chrome. Depending on the browser, you'll have to follow different steps. So in Google Chrome, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option privacy and security. Now you'll be led to the privacy and security interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option, delete browsing data. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to delete the browsing data over here. You can simply check on this box, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. You can also simply check on this option, browsing history. After doing that, click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the cookies and cache will be deleted. Now you can simply go back to ChatGPT again, refresh it. Now you can simply try asking anything to the ChatGPT. Now your problem of slow responses can be solved. So that is how you fix ChatGPT slow responses. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.